Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another hotel room review. I'm staying at the True by Hilton in Plano. You know what? This is the outside of the hotel. From my understanding, this is a brand new hotel and it just opened up this year, 2024. Big old parking lot. Got a restaurant over here. You're right by the freeway. I don't know what freeway there is. There's another hotel over there too. When you walk in, you got a nice area to do some work. Computer to use, printer to use, well, I'm assuming. Got your breakfast station here. Eggs and bacon, hard-boiled eggs, pancake machine, bunch of condiments, cereal, oatmeal, yogurt milk, area to sit at. They got a place for you to play pool, which is pretty awesome. They got games and stuff for you to play. Got your coffee station here, tea station. There's no coffee in the room, so you gotta get everything downstairs. Water, ice, and you got a little gym here. And then here, you got more area to sit down. And yeah, buy snacks and stuff here. Drinks, snacks, the plates. Now on to show you my room. It's so tall and too bad. I do like it, it's good, it's nice and clean, but there's some stuff wrong with it. I'm staying in room 303. Oh, yesterday the door was not closing all the way. It would stay open, but today it's actually closing all the day. Okay. Yeah, yesterday the door would just stay open, and then it shut all the way. Okay, well now it's shutting, but yeah, this is the sink. This thing is not draining, so I had to put a bunch of towels in here, you know, to suck up the water and place the towel in there. I'm so sorry, whoever doing housekeeping, but this is your restroom, you know, your sink area. You got a nice mirror here. They give you lotion and a hand wash, Kleenex, whatnot. They give you a good amount of towels. This is a king room. I got 3 set of towels. A toilet here. And you got your walk-in shower here. No bathtub, just a simple shower is good. You got a full-length mirror here, which is cool. You got some stuff to hang your clothes and whatnot here. And you got this area to put some stuff here. They do give you a mini fridge, which is pretty awesome. There's no microwave here, but there is a microwave downstairs. You got iron board, more stuff to hang your clothes. This wall is empty. You got a stand over here. There's no USB port on here, no USB port on here. So make sure you bring your chargers. They do have an outlet over there. And you have your bed. It's a king size bed. For me, it was comfortable, not too hard, not too soft. They gave us 4 pillows, very soft pillows, very soft, but you know what? I slept like a pig. I liked it. Here you got some USB plugs, but once again, I don't like plugging stuff into random stuff because you don't know, you know, what it's plugging into. Then you got 2 wall outlets. This is a cool lamp right here. It's a dimmer. Turn it off and you can dim it, so that's cool. This is my view. Okay. I can't get this up. I can't get this up. This one is for the back one. And then, you know, I do this one. Doesn't work. I do. Oh, what? Why is everything working today? Why is everything working today? I swear it was not working yesterday. But this is my view. Nothing was working yesterday, but today's everything's working. Okay. That's good to know that it does work. Got the AC, man. This AC is cold, man. We in Texas, it's hot. This AC is good. Got another outlet over there. Trash can here. You got a nice little desk here. Get some work done. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. I think this is where you put your luggage, since there's no other thing to put your luggage. Because I don't know, it's kind of weird to sit here, right? sit here and face the bed, put your head on the TV. That sounded weird. You do have another outlet here, USB plugs here, nice TV. That's my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. More outlet here. I just walked downstairs real fast to the breakfast. Today they had eggs, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, you know, bread, bagels, stuff like that. You know, yogurt, cereal, milk, you know, basic stuff, orange, apple juice. It's pretty good. I don't know. It's pretty good with variety. That's pretty much the standard. I didn't try it. I'm about to go to the Thai festival right now. So I don't want to fill up my stomach, so I didn't get anything. But you know, sorry for this quick rush review. We are in a rush. I woke up late and whatnot, so I'm just trying to get out of here now. So hope you enjoyed this review. Hope you find it helpful. I do recommend this hotel. The people here was really nice too, really helpful. You know, so you know, Hilton, what's up, Hilton? Let's go. Stay at Hilton. Other than that, I'm out. But before I'm out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.